What are the necessary requirements for checking a TIN number online in the Philippines?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing the necessary requirements for checking a TIN number online in the Philippines. If you're wondering how to verify someone's tax identification number, TIN, quickly and conveniently, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in.
What is a TIN number?
Before we explore the requirements, let's quickly understand what a TIN number is. The Tax Identification Number, TIN, is a unique 9-digit identification number assigned to individuals, corporations, partnerships, and other entities by the Bureau of Internal Revenue, BIR, in the Philippines. It serves as a way to track taxpayers and their transactions for taxation purposes.
Requirements for checking TIN number online.
To check a TIN number online in the Philippines, you'll need the following requirements. 1. Internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection to access the online platform provided by the Bureau of Internal Revenue, BIR. This will enable you to perform the necessary steps to check the TIN number. 2. Valid government-issued ID. You'll need a valid government-issued ID for identification purposes. Examples of acceptable IDs include the Philippine Passport, Driver's License, Unified Multipurpose Identification, UMID, card, Social Security System, SSS, card, or Government Service Insurance System, GSIS, card. Make sure your ID is valid and not expired. 3. Personal information. Be ready with the personal information of the individual whose TIN number you wish to check. This typically includes the full name, date of birth, and address. Ensure the information you provide is accurate and matches the records.
Steps to check TIN number online.
Now that we have the requirements covered, let's go through the steps to check a TIN number online in the Philippines. Step 1. Visit the BIR website. Open a web browser and go to the official website of the Bureau of Internal Revenue in the Philippines. You can easily find this website by searching for BIR Philippines on your preferred search engine. Step 2. Access the TIN verification page. Once you're on the BIR website, locate the section or page dedicated to TIN verification. The website should provide a clear and user-friendly interface to perform this task. Step 3. Fill in the required information. Enter the requested information into the provided fields. This typically includes the full name, date of birth, and address of the individual whose TIN number you wish to check. Double-check the details for accuracy before proceeding. Step 4. Submit the information. After verifying that all the information is correct, click on the Submit or Check button to proceed with the TIN number verification process. Step 5. View the TIN number result. The system will process the information you provided, and if everything is accurate, it will display the TIN number associated with the individual you searched for. Make sure to take note of the TIN number for future reference or documentation purposes. Congratulations! You've now learned about the necessary requirements and steps to check a TIN number online in the Philippines. Remember, having a stable internet connection, a valid government-issued ID, and accurate personal information are key to successfully verifying someone's TIN number. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.